Good morning, and welcome back to English and Eggs podcast.
We're so happy you're here. If this is your first time listening, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back.
My name is Alec.
And I'm Melanie.
English and Eggs is a calm place to practice English with positive stories and friendly conversation.
We speak slowly and clearly.
We use simple, everyday English so you can understand.
And we focus on good news from around the world.
You can listen while you eat breakfast, drink coffee, relax, or during your morning or evening commute. Just like eggs, English can be enjoyed any time of day.
There's no pressure here.
No tests.
And no judgment.
Just listen and let the English come to you.
Alec, before we start today's good news, I have an important question.
Oh, I'm ready.
How do you like your eggs?
That is an important question. Most mornings, I like scrambled eggs. Soft, fluffy, and easy.
Scrambled eggs are a classic.
They are. But sometimes I like over-easy eggs, with the yolk still soft.
Oh, nice. That's a good choice. I like sunny-side-up eggs. I love the bright yellow yolk.
Sunny-side-up eggs do look very cheerful.
They do. On weekends, though, I like something a little more special.
Let me guess. Eggs Benedict?
Yes, Eggs Benedict with English muffins and hollandaise sauce.
That's a fancy egg.
It is. And sometimes I like omelets with cheese and vegetables.
Omelets are great. You can put almost anything inside them.
Exactly.
How about you, listener? How do you like your eggs? Do you like them boiled?
That's always easy.
And if so, do you prefer soft-boiled or hard-boiled?
What about poached?
Fried?
Scrambled?
With toast?
With rice?
With vegetables?
Or maybe you like something special from your culture.
However you like your eggs, there's no wrong answer.
Just like learning English.
Speaking of good mornings, let's move into today's good news stories, shall we?
Yes, these stories remind us that kind and hopeful things are happening every day. Our first story comes from a small town that wanted to make life better for everyone.
The people in this town noticed that many elderly neighbors were living alone.
Some of them did not have family nearby.
Others had trouble getting food or medicine.
So the town decided to do something simple but powerful.
They created a community program where volunteers check on elderly neighbors every day.
Sometimes they bring groceries.
Sometimes they help with small chores.
And sometimes they just sit and talk.
The program helped reduce loneliness and made people feel safer.
Many elderly residents said they felt happier and more connected.
It shows that kindness does not have to be big or expensive.
Sometimes a short visit and a friendly conversation are enough.
Our next story comes from a group of students who wanted to help the environment.
These students noticed that their local river was becoming polluted.
Trash was floating in the water.
And animals were being affected.
Instead of waiting for someone else to fix the problem, they took action.
They organized cleanup days and invited their community to help.
People of all ages came together.
They collected trash, recycled what they could, and learned how to protect the river.
Over time, the water became cleaner.
More fish returned.
And the river became a place people could enjoy again.
The students proved that young people can create real change. Our final good news story today is about a simple invention that helped many people around the world.
A young engineer noticed that many families did not have access to clean drinking water.
Some families had to drink water from rivers or wells that were not safe.
This water sometimes contained dirt, bacteria, and particles that were harmful to their health.
Instead of creating something expensive or complicated, the engineer asked a simple question.
How can we clean water using materials people already have?
She designed a small water filter made from basic, affordable materials.
The filter was built using layers.
Each layer had a purpose.
At the top, there was a layer of cloth or mesh.
This layer helped catch larger pieces of dirt and debris.
Below that, there was a layer of sand.
The sand filtered out smaller particles.
Under the sand, there was a layer of charcoal.
The charcoal helped remove bad smells and harmful substances from the water.
At the bottom, there were small stones or gravel.
This helped keep the other layers in place and allowed clean water to flow through.
The filter was placed inside a simple container, like a bucket or bottle.
Dirty water was poured in at the top.
And clean water slowly came out at the bottom.
The design did not need electricity,
It did not need machines.
and it could be built using local materials.
Families learned how to make and repair the filters themselves.
As a result, fewer people became sick from dirty water,
Children missed fewer days of school.
and families felt safer and more independent.
This story reminds us that good solutions do not have to be complex.
They just need to be thoughtful, practical, and designed with real people in mind.
Sometimes the smartest ideas are also the simplest.
Let's take a moment to practice a sentence together.
You can repeat out loud or just listen. Ready?
Good things are happening around the world.
Let's say it one more time.
Good things are happening around the world.
Very nice. And indeed they are.
Today, we talked about eggs, community, students, and small ideas that make a big difference.
We hope these stories made you feel calm and hopeful.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Every time you listen, you are building your English.
Be patient with yourself
Be kind to yourself.
and enjoy the journey.
This has been English and Eggs.
We'll see you next time.
Until then, keep learning.